Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM advisor Ashank Kasar has urged the virtuous people to collectively fight against those who try to disintegrate the society. He was speaking on the sidelines of extending relief materials to the IDPs taking refuge at Sawombong Lamboy Kongnangkong in connection with the upcoming Christmas. He was accompanied by several volunteers of IPFM, Imphal Naga Forum and leaders of Thadaw, Liangmay, Meitei and Meitei Pangal communities. Speaking further, Ashank Kasar appealed all to forget and forgive the past incidents and collectively strive towards resolving the ongoing crisis. He also stressed the crucial importance of cooperation between the indigenous communities to revive the erstwhile Manipur. Ashank Kasar also expressed strong belief that peace and normalcy could be restored shortly if the central government takes the state's crisis sincerely and paves a roadmap for resolving the matter.
Center government na yamna serious way na lawradi normalcy la ningai gi restore toningai police ama roadmap ama semladi ilai na lambi di lehina koi di haijaninge adu lambi do hoji kanana semgadara hairaga government na semgadaba madugi responsible person singna aduna hana koi peace committee ama leiraga thabak tawradi soidana peace hanjangani haina tawramane adu mapung phaba ngamkide adu adak chahi anobla lakpasida koi thajai soidana peace puraktabadi yaroi sumaina landum tawra leiba yadabnena hojikti center government na su yam serious way na lobu mongda koi khra ui aduga praja leibinariba kaluk mayam na su sogat pire heraga atopa leiriba jati mayam sina punsallaga peace puraninga akoina lawminaradi soidana santi du purapang ngamgani natana magi aigi ge adum leiradi adum santi du su leiba yadaba mongda adum lei.
Meanwhile, Kokome convener Kurajam Athoba praised the initiative taken by various leaders of indigenous communities for providing assistance to the IDPs. He also wished for peaceful coexistence between the indigenous communities in the state.
IDP sing asigi mafamda Indigenous Peoples Forum gi maikai degi ba Jesus ki mingda Christmas kumaina lakpada angamba chini amade chana no polam awai kari mayam ma pubirakna IDP sing asigi tangdong warsu makoi awabada saruk yari amadi makoi gi awana singsida angamba kadong mating pangjagani haidana lakpibasi duki matik komi gi maikai degi thagap pondok chari sumain tawdana koi masen amaga awana tana matamda saruk yaminaba amadi mating pangminaba sina tung koina koi masen gi marakta nusiba lipunama sagatminaba amadi apunba manipur amoina apunba lebag amoina apunba kanglup purup amoina ingminna bokana bada kwaidagi maru oiba kwaidagi mapangan kanba bulai ma hairagadi sigumba awana tarama tamda mating pangba kuti thokpa sina oigani hadan lawi